Well, here's a sight that you haven't seen for a while. This is my W. Haid tradition made in November of 1973. And it's finally back. Tonight, I thought I have nothing better to do except schoolwork that I'm procrastinating on, so I took apart this clock, fiddled with the balance wheel a bit, cleaned out the pivots, oiled them with some new oil, and I have a runner once more. It's running better than before, actually. These floating balances are always a nightmare, and I hate them with a burning passion. Also, yes, I'm aware that pivot guard, or whatever it's there for, is not on. Yeah, I'm aware. As you can see, 1973 W. Haid. I should have taken video while I had the movement out, but there is a marking right here that says 1173. So it's pretty obvious that that's November of 1973. That could be the culprit of the clock stopping. I think that's on the time train. Looks like it would be. That might need some attention sometime. However, I mean, if I get the funds for it, I'm just gonna replace this entire movement. But for now, I have a runner, so yeah, it's back. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but allow me to let you hear it. If I can just open the face. There we go. Sounds just the same as ever. Westminster. St. Michael. So, welcome back, W. Haid. Seriously, there's such a good swing on this balance wheel. It was never anything like this when I even first got it. So I think I've done some good. Well, it's certainly a shame I didn't do this before the collection update. But nonetheless, here we are. The Semka joins its partner. These guys are related. This is a Friedrich Maute Schwenningen, and this is just an F Maute. Friedrich Maute. And that is officially 40 mechanical clocks operating in my collection, including my novelty clocks and this watch. And this electromechanical Bulova. Thanks for watching this short little update on the W. Haid. As you know, daylight savings is ending on November 7th, I think, is for when it ends in the United States. It ends the end of October in the UK and Europe. We're a little bit behind, I guess you could say, in terms of pushing clocks back, but if I don't see you before then, I'll see you then. Take care.